The Brave Toast. One day, Toast looked out the window and saw a rainbow. He sat on a yellow pillow, but he felt sad. Toast did not want to have a slow life. He did not want to loaf. Toast wanted to row a boat from coast to coast. The next day, Toast saw a green toad with a bow and arrow. In winter, Toast saw a goat in a cloak playing with snow. Toast glowed and put on his coat. "I want to have fun too." So he hit the window with his elbow. It broke. Toast looked at the snowy sky and felt the wind blow. He felt afraid. "What if I cannot row a boat?" he said. But then he saw the toad and the sparrow. He felt like a big oak. Toast stepped onto the road. Under the rainbow, he had a goal.